Hello, my name is Lina Giselle Peralta Pisa. From my point of view, I believe that the future of our planet is answering. I believe that one of the most important problems we face is global warming at its use. One of the issues that generate great damage to the environment. It is important that we have in the vast majority of the usual activities in our day to day to the produce pollution, be it accounted light of atmosphere, huge fine receptor in the environment. Every time we use electrical means to transport medicines, cleaning products, eating or the use food, we produce a doubt not directly. Pollutants residue. If we humans do not change our habits, we significant affect biodiversity, causing a decrease in genetic variability, pollution and sedimentation of water and deforestation of forests. To mitigate environmental damage, I recommend that to the government develop a clear policy that seeks to minimize energy consumption in all scenarios, optimizing its use and developing a technology that respects the environment. It is necessary to reduce the regeneration of pollutants and danger. Sometimes appropriate use, staunch treatment of fine or disposal. Thank you.